Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily add passkey on Deribit.com. To add passkey on Deribit, launch open a web browser and type in Deribit.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're logged into your Deribit.com account by entering your correct credentials. After you're logged into the home page of Deribit, go ahead and click on or mouse over to the human icon at the top right corner and click on Security Keys. Under Security Keys option, look for Add Passkey and click on the Add Passkey button. Now enter a unique name for the security key and then click on Continue. Now select where you save your passkey. You can use phone or tablet or use an external security key. Use your phone or tablet to scan this QR code with the camera on the device to create or save your passkey for Deribit. Just scan the QR code and save the passkey. Make sure that both of your device, your phone or tablet, and your device that you're currently using to log into Deribit is also connected with Bluetooth and the same network. Right after you complete that, you'll be able to add passkey on Deribit. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.